are going to be live this night with Odo Cereal, the convert from Omelu Alabuzo Okwuasi. You see, I have problem with Nde Ekwozo Emozo. Now you know and understand exactly what I am talking about. Now you understand exactly what I am talking about. They tell you that Nife Batalo Ndoka, like they put it, Jiwe na okay, very dark man, you can zuzu out of my broadcast. Hey, why in Jiwe? Hey, why in Jije delete? Okay, block control block. We just delete here if I go. Okay, off you go. So, hi, aso Nife Batalo Nda. Jiwe na agba J-Park if I will, because na J-Park is from side ebe ha no poor, with them or by force. No onye wanna decide no ya no with them. Hebido confront wonya without minding if onya hu meru. Now, tell me one bad thing this particular guy Anakpo Odosiri Umeru, that he decided to leave the Omelu Alabuzo Okwuasi na Onwu, that he went to leave them. That Nifo Fleba happily Omelu expect. Can you tell me one bad thing Omelu by pointing out at Ifo Joe Matthias in a more like you? Since they said that everybody should be open for criticism. Kerife Batara Haji wena o this guy ka hapo woye. Kerife Batara Haji wena o this guy ka hapo woye. These are people who cannot live up to their act. They cannot live up to their word. Not even one. Not even one. Nando ka nka. No onye ona ni ipu hair against them. They will come after you. Na higher like ile kwiri ha. Tell me what this young man Odosiri has done. Tell me his crime. Ndo Omelu Alabuzo Okwuasi na Onwu ji abeg ka ha dowuo. Ono to uri ego. And so what? No member of Omelu Alabuzo Eziokwu. How many of your members na be worship with you people physically? Let us not even argue whether no a member or no member. Justin Chijoke. Number more than this page, but he send the other message in the inbox. I can send it to you. I am asking you a question. Let's say this guy have blocked their member. Does he mean na Abuja branch had only 8 or 9? Does it mean that not only 9 or 10 members of Omelu Alabuzo Okwuasi na Onwu? Does it mean na all branch eba helu 100? Does it mean no na had all their members hand will Enugu branch helu mmadụ 5? Does it mean no mmadụ 5 awo mmadụ ne hand will? So why are you people saying that, trying everything to justify that this guy brought your member, not just only 1 or twice? So, but the majority of members active members mandane wotego no online they follow activities it doesn't even matter whether no a member or not. Slogan on man is God to man. Must somebody be your member before that person will benefit for your message of man is God to man? Unless you may go religion. It is only a religion but I na go no na if you na practice another religious organization man no deny here. What is the essence of mmadụ nwere ike iwu a member of an Igbo like onye Igbo and I say no onye omenala or no onye omenala or no a member of omenala or no a member of omenala? Ana m ajụ ajụjụ by mere fact that na somebody onye Igbo qualifies that person to be part of anything omenala buy. That is it. So tell me one crime this guy has committed. Now this guy batalo funu neme ablo ife otobalanya. He decided to go and even up go. He decided to use that avenue to bring out or put out 1 or 2 things. Is it a crime? Is that not what you people have always preached? Now, nobody is willing to take what they are dishing out. You got to go. Nobody is willing, and he goes, nobody is willing to take what they are dishing out. And that becomes my problem with people on Facebook. When they tell you, with their personal Lord and Savior, all of them will come after you. I am asking you. Then some of them will Christians say, they will their favorite pastor. You will see all of them jump out from their closet. Nkahaga. Check a member of Ndoka. We decide ya, nature has in with them. Now, this particular guy has come to associate with two people along the line. Ofuni for Cholo, Abli for Follow. He decided to go. He did not deny the help. After all, is that not what you people appreciate? Message you they appreciate. If you need help, go to your fellow man. So he needed help. He came to you people. Are you people helping him? What is the crime of committing? Did he not follow the principle of your teachings? Are you giving that preaching so that you can entice people? Is your gift a way of tying people's destiny to your side? Is that a way of buying people over? Why are you people after this young man? They even know this young man every day. On Facebook, I saw one every day. With the picture of the guy. Or now that thing happen to the guy. That is what you people have always preached. What could have resulted to Governor Eziokwu picking on this guy? Facebook. Are you a follower of Matthias? Governor Eziokwu, I'm asking you. Misbehave. You people are misbehaving. You have lost your identity. You need to retrace your steps back. Why are you defending a follower of Matthias that left Matthias group? Are you a member of Omenabu Eziokwu Nando? Ratel Gang, send their request. Join us here. Kamalo Eza, send their request. Kamalo crime committed against these people. Aside from pointing out if for John Matthias name, the same way has a point out if for John the pastor name. Tell me the crime you have committed, or are they immune to criticism? Send their request, Ratel Gang. Send their request. Are they immune to criticism? This is the problem I have. When they talk about church, and you try to confront them, they will tell you how Jesus Christ of Bukonwa. Now I want to put a hammer coca. Imenga. Oyangoma. Talk about Omenabu Eziokwu. When they talk about your pastor, you come out to defend your pastor. Haselo. Can you be the Japota be a pastor? Talk about Matthias. You see, when you talk about the good work of Christ, when you talk about all of Christ in Alo, when you talk about the Ezibolo of your pastor in Alo, they will come out to criticize. But when you talk about Kurukele operation on Matthias, they will also come out. What makes you different from the people you are criticizing? The same thing. Brother, send the guy a request. Okay. To you. The same thing. No difference. Now, don't go on when you can go where Nando Kawe even to the Sayonaka. Number one, I have reduced a whole Christianity into Zion ministry. It doesn't matter. They have collapsed a whole Christianity into Zion ministry. So, anywhere a Christian talks, or a Zion member, that is one thing. I go that I don't need to trust the guy. There is nothing like trusting the guy. I don't have any interest in the guy, The guy is also criticizing pastors. He is not only talking about Matthias, he is also addressing the activities of fake pastors. As a matter of fact, that was what brought him to Brekete family. That was what brought him to Matthias. That was what brought him to Governor Eziokwu. If I'm not on that, if I'm not quoting him wrong. So it's not as if the guy gets here not following the pastor. He is criticizing fake pastors as well as he is criticizing Matthias. Yeah? So I don't know the crime that this guy has committed. Criticize but you people are doing the same thing. Why are you guys roasting this guy? What is the crime he has committed? Yeah? No, and God, you are getting it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. Anybody decided to this guy, but you give him money. I don't have any problem with that. I'm not even telling the guy to come and start talking about church or so. Ratel gang, he decline the invite. He sent the request and accept or decline. Is it here the program? Then you come back again. So then you can send me request. You gotta go. My position here, and you go if you can get what I am saying. Eh? My position here is, why are they after this guy? Because this guy is doing the same thing they are doing. What this guy is doing is exactly what you guys are doing. What you are doing to this guy is exactly what you are accusing of doing to you. So tell me. Yeah? Tell me. Onye ka nji siwu na onye ọ na-ekwu eziokwu na Facebook a. But kele onye wo the actual person na-ekwu eziokwu. Kele onye ji ofo. Because it seems like the cop mmadụ ji wee measure. Osho ka wo the same cop wee measure here. Ebe onu ekwuto n'okwu Matthias ọ na-amịa mma mịa egbe. But you want to be talking about other people's pastors, they will leave you. But you want to be talking about other people's pastors and their GO. You don't expect them to talk because they are Christians. That is one thing I fail to understand. My interest in this guy, it's not even about his ideology. I don't care. My own is, why are they after this guy? Now, not this guy. Why can they not live up to their words? Why is their words always different from their actions? You want to enjoy monopoly in this Facebook. You cannot do that. Facebook is a community where people can come and air their view. Now I have begun to think that this guy actually know more than Ononeku. And that is why you guys, you have just lost one person. Why can't you allow him to move ahead? Have you seen how it feels to sit down and start talking about an organization? No, you know, unu kwuo maka Zion. Onye Zion kwuo okwu, una amapụta sị ha na ndị Zion nwo organization ndị terror and risk. Is that not what you people are calling them? What is different from what Zionites are doing and what you are doing now? I'm asking you. Onye nenecha onwe ya ụgwọ ọpasịa, and that is why I choose to ignore a lot of you and your words, because your words doesn't make any sense to me. Every single thing you are trying to defend is what you are doing. Yes. Man on network now can try to send the invite. Ngwa Eziokwu again Ibatakwa. Eziokwu again Ibatakwa. Yes. Eziokwu again Ibatakwa. You got to go? Yeah? I don't understand. The other day, Anunebe TV, Anunebe Nando, Unya Jiake, Zion did not invite him. Only problem with the Ayayanando, Nanando Beha. Owanake Bera Zion. Balos for Batarose and Yamaka Zion. Nde Zion Nabate. He decided to make a testimony. Allow Onye testimony. After Onyecha testimony, Zion Church supported him with what they have. He left. Opwa. Yes, send the request, of course, the Ratel gang. Opwa. The next thing Okuru. No, why you Nyamachi do not know. No, why you before the Torondoka. No, Jenado Lucia. So, whether not this guy or we your member or not your member, whether no this guy is wrong way, whether not or no this guy is wrong way, whether not the most important thing, oh, we know why you call their wound. Oh, my good if I don't have an dominant desire. Yes. Oh, my good if I don't have an dominant desire. Oh, no money to Aho, who's way defend and Rebenando. Sipane to an agitated guy. What I go, oh, yeah, come over, Susuru Sebapo, and Mafia. If he fought to know he will call you Ebe or King will I call him. Ebe or King will I call him. Manda good, Manda Libo, new to Libo, Madonna upon a bed, and also Miri. ha ncha niile na-achọ onye ya ejecha aka ọlụ ewu ewu Rapper gang, don't worry. You gotta go. Now they supported Anune Bernardo. Anune Bernardo, was he at any time a member of Zion ministry? He wasn't. He only came to Zion the same way these guys were there. No man abuse Eziokwu. Be not help. Any help? Yeah? Any help? So what is the crime he has committed? No, no, decide the nani for no, he fought Walanya. Una yeti ife kuna yejudo kede. Rapper gang go have another account in where you will ever here. I don't know why this your page. Oh no, another account here. Send the here. Let me tag this your page now here. You gotta go on the adding. I don't know why it's not bringing you in here. But let's hope that it will come in this time. You gotta go. Now they have started African Madone. This guy we may post. Waja we go post to market. But I have address again. Onyamuma renji multiple video. Governor Eziokwu go video. A lot of them go video market. Happen on the guy yaka. Why are you people doing the same thing you are criticizing? Why are you people doing the same thing you are criticizing? I thought you said that people are free to air their view or any particular religious group that nobody is under obligation to stay one place. Tell them to use another account. Use another account. Use another account. This your account. They go have battle. And you go the maybe in any video, but I am addressing those who made our videos. Yeah? I am addressing those who make good video. Yeah, try another line. Yeah? I don't understand. These are the people who cannot tolerate half of what they are, half of what they are dishing out. Does it even make sense? It doesn't make sense. Yeah? It doesn't make sense. The same thing who they criticize, nyakono ya deme, shows the kunu neme with impunity. It doesn't work. Yeah? And you go. That guy will ife kpọtara that guy na omenala abuse Eziokwu. Achọrọ m ịma na ọwụbụ member ha online before wee bịa na omenala abuse Eziokwu ha. Ịghọtago? But the guy who the same thing kpọtara ya na that omenala abuse Eziokwu kpọtara ya na Brekete family nya kpọjere na nke gọvanọ Eziokwu. So whether na ọbịachara omenala abuse Eziokwu na ndụ decide is here to be worshiping with them, then along the line ọfụ na ife na-emebe ha bụrụ ife nye nwa chọrọ o nwere right to move. Ọzọkwa ego fanyere ihe ha eji ewe gold destiny. Yes, are they not supporting JPAC na Governor Eziokwu benefit from Zion ministry? They decided they don't want to be part of Zion. They left. When they left, they started criticizing Zion. They started criticizing their members. Did they not support them? Yes. Did they not support them? Now you see the kind of people you are dealing with on Facebook. Have you seen the kind of people you are dealing with and defending on Facebook? These are guys that cannot live up to the standard they are maintaining. Very deceitful people. Yeah? Very deceitful people. Nnamdi Nwachukwu, Matthias is bigger than your entire generation. He is bigger than your entire generation. Yes. My own family. Nde gori feni no nwelu waja adago hago. He dare not come close. He dare not come close. Nwa dika na bank kana baji. In short, he say got even na wal. So he can be bigger than you and your generation. He is not bigger than me and my generation. You gotta go. He can be bigger than you and your family. He can be bigger than all of you. You gotta go. Oti side mo no kana mu. You gotta go. If I run on there, ofiru no arrive go. Nwere ndị ebe a webe ha bidoro ebido. Unenwero sense. Unenwero sense. Unenwero sense. Maka ngoma onye ụka na-eme pụta ise na ndị ụka na-eme. Have you seen? You are the one who na-eme onwe onye iberibe. Ị na-eme onwe onye iberibe mana ị mahụ. Ị na-eme onwe onye iberibe. Odo sere biko send their request again na this odo cereal or the message na odo cereal ka mmanụ ma isi na ekpọbata okay they couldn't add guest even ime ka I try kwara organ let us try that organ they cannot take half of what they are giving out. Look at the people who got everywhere in the comment section mana video ndị mmadụ eji threaten ndị mmadụ ka mmadụ melu nna ndị Nwachukwu iwu mpama ifuru onye monetize page Matthias did not monetize his page ifuru onye monetize page so page ị na watch him ka monetize page but either another comment ebe again I will block you. Drop another comment here again. I'm block all immediately. He said Zuzu poor. Zuzu and go to your Matthias page. Go there. You know Sogarisi. Oh yeah. Zuzu out immediately. Mpama. Just Sogarisi eba no. Group of bandits. Ndohi. Yeah, Okarisi Awanye. Facebook has been having issues for some days now. Yes, even view reduced. I noticed. Yeah, I noticed. In what I go, which kind of people is this? Approach I use not okay. How can they even take quarter of what they go about everywhere in comment section threatening people? When you bring the matter up on Facebook, go to Hanino online, their media warriors will come and defend those people who perpetrate those acts. But just the other day, Kamadukula about Matthias, the Hanchani master from Ebehano, they ran a program for almost 3 hours to 4 hours addressing the issue because Matthias' life is bigger than the entire life of Igbo. Okay, so someone, you are welcome.
Good na Facebook, man, I'm live, and they kick him out to report that in
Facebook, so these days, I don't know why.
And the report that in him, no be small thing. They've been trying to disturb some. Okay, why don't kill me, my brother? Can't kill me. Remember when you used to follow me back in the days, right?
Yes.
But you didn't follow me now vibrate like this. You know, guys, you kill them mad with the hand can. They are on the comments, commenting. Jirini Amayo, K. I put on my position in the cushion. Hey man, I know on the other side. Oh yeah, Hannah George until you me pay Facebook. Maybe the road about program meet here all this autonomous. Everything they dish out, they cannot take it. You see, everything these people are dishing out, they can never take it.
Imagine and Yogi. Ono sere na ndo ka akpọta half a pastor ha evangelist Ebukobi. Hey, you don't vibrate we. Man, akpọta Matthias vibrate we. Isn't that something? When you talk about church, you don't go and ban someone you know. Man, I go my comment na put Eziokwu una no. Na ebo Jesus ha why na how you allow Jesus ka Jesus bia no olu ho. Man, our ancestors e ba put ogo. E ya happen ndị nwụrụ anwụ ka ha bịa n'ụlọ onwe ha ngwa na anya nụnụ na anya ndị oge anụnụ ebe na ndụ bịara na Zion ọhọ a member of Zion Church ọ bịa kọrọ ndị Zion etu province wee doro ya Zion assist ye ọ bụọ bidokwu another thing about Zion the same thing with J-Park na governor Eziokwu J-Park na governor bata na Zion ministry bịa mee gburugburu ndị Zion meghepụrụ ha obi ha mebere ha ife ha mechaa pụọ kọtọba Zion eji ikwu okwu Onopasta, when a guru may one of mother Yano with you people. Look at this same guy and a Boratel gang. Odo cereal. This same guy will problem. But when they don't know Eziokwu Abuja, Unures area go Unures 100 and something thousand. Yeah. Uneje, we watch destiny. The guy, what? The Wednesday Maki for job of Matthias Unu regroup where they run a program. Onodo. So does it mean? Na ife ahụ nọ na akụrụ J-Park na gọvanọ Eziokwu aka na ha mere na ife ahụ nọ na akụrụ anụnụ ebe na ndaka na ha mere olu na nke ụnụ unu eteki nwuhe unu eteki nwuhe
even convict pụtara bịa na support maka what I go now because honest na the other end of the story. What I go now ya bịa na agbadi naanị ihe m ga-agwa that guy ya mepee page chọwa ha tikiti
o nwere page ebe a bịara tell them
ya mepee page chọwa that's ndị ame ya won eme ha too. You see all these people ndị awụ monsters. The only thing they get monsters way and dog and the mama. So anywhere they come, you follow them. Hana like a challenge. They hate challenge. And Anna talk Hana make intimidate you know that you're not supposed to talk. They're supposed to be the one over talking you. What I go? So I can understand their predicament. What I heard your potential get him and I go get to share yes or more. Maybe you know. Because you know why? All these people that are coming out now to support one nigga work on you, they were not there when we started. They were not there when this your brother from work. They are not going to defend dog one. What I go? So them coming out, they're not supporting him because they want to support. They are supporting him because all work. You know, so before Harry go who know Pioma, I can make boost or don't go to her. What I go? Don't have woto. So next time before you collect money, government be good that collect get sharp. So all y'all with the thing. All these things they will Mary. Onya will become the victim. Now, no, they become the victim, but I don't know how to put it. They become the victim. Why would you do it? While they are the architect of all this problem. You want to go? Ibrabia like Okon Gutibiana, Potrabia me video, Pariwa Ebukobi, right? Because of Guinea, J Park the dinner. Imagine Okon Gutibia, Onya go Kubuge for 200,000 every month to come with reject the money. Hey.
Yes, Ratel gang, don't worry, Mama won't be looking at WhatsApp.
You want to go? Okongwe reject the money. Okongwa who go infection and one onye Jesus. Okongwa go come on 50,000 or 20,000 oja gazro Igbo. Gabo yenari. Can you 200 and something thousand? Now can you na I'm waja wezi boy. Because I got my doya because waja to kere. Hello, who is that? Waja achọghị ka ereziere onye eze Jizọs ego. Waja jiri J Park ka ọ ga rescue Okongwutibia. Waja acclaimed that onye Okongwutibia 1 million. Waja accepted Okongwu na Ghana. Gịnị meziri onye eze Jizọs? Okongwutibia duru isi n'ụwa nke ya pụtara ime ya na anyị ga-emetacha ya ife for releasing this story. Waja to him join the hand. Kazo on Jesus. Akwena getting Eziokwu akagbara. So now Okongwutibia, Waja and J Park got put up when you say Jesus. They know about it. They know these people are working to Amu Ekuya. Waja, if you can cover to 1 million, no Okongwutibia. People the question here is this guy I only say Jesus. I said no, come to be here got them matter major home matter. I come now. Why is it that you're campaigning against raising money for years Jesus? Why no come Gutibia Potarane? Wo ayaya mando tagaya tabu wo ya destroy yaya nazi get the park nwanga ki onu na ga ko na idea awuzi that agere zilonye Jesus ego na lie yo you guys ga bakwa ni mere onye Jesus na so the matter they start again oh na so the matter they start again J Pipe. All these people in the J Pipe, you promise us and I got to get leak again. Evidence, that is number one evidence, so I'm not going to leave that one. No. So, on you for your brother, Eziokwu, my problem with him is not ending anytime soon. Nobody should call me. I get let it know to the end. Also, I have from China. So, our number one evidence not emo to the number one evidence not emo to the So, what I need to encourage your friend. Man, this boy in a baby all the time. Why would J-Pack be sleeping in your house? J-Pack, get him in a hotel. Why would J-Pack be sleeping in your house? J-Pack and Odia. Now, the first person put on Aporo, no, will come with you. The second person Aporo with J-Pack. What about the Kagan and Dan and Hamo game? Okay, I'll go to my page. I'll go to my page, no problem. Because you know why? I can see that Waja is working with this guy, Okongu. Waja is working with J-Pack. And the Waja don't want to come and say something about. I'm not going to talk because gonna have was involved.
I told you do how Waja do. Hello, Waja. I don't get this guy Odo Serial. This guy Odo Serial. Forward to Gaselemo voice note to Gasel. Conversation between Yana Governor Eziokwu. And according to him, also Governor Eziokwu made a live program today. And Governor Wakulu that no, you make it the guy to disappear. So according to the guy now panic. So I'm not like it can pour the guy.
The guy send Jaranum detained. Oh my God, I don't know why this. The guy in a panic can I get him any? Hey, send Jaranum detained.
You know
with the one problem on the ground. Anyway, come respect Eziokwu. Yeah, platform
Serial.
Sir?
Ebe don't me take a more battle, man. The network equal above battle.
Facebook no issue. I have tried everything, it's not working.
Okay. Ndị na-ebe a, ọ na n'ife ọ na-ekwu. Ọ gwụ na n'ife ọ na-ekwu lada, Auntie Oge.
Yes.
Okay. Serial.
Sir.
First of all, achọ nke ịkọ Etugu na Ndasi wee jee from ntụ isi wee si from Benue State gbadata Abuja. Ife kpojelu na church Matthias and ife transpired. But first of all, may a brief. All you push here who encounter gonna Governor Eziokwu before you tell us what happened na program moment after.
Good.
Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Odosri, and I've done I'm a Governor Eziokwu before it's 2022. Kama Governor Eziokwu, and the issue between Muna Matthias Eziokwu. So you check my post, check that particular from 2021 to 2022. I am now one of those who video with Matthias Eziokwu on social media. Though before the I meet to be one-on-one, I meet one-on-one now, but I'm not Matthias, I'm on social media since 2021. Then when I Governor Eziokwu since 2022. Fast forward to what transpired in Abuja. Hello? Okay. Abuja be issue with a particular pastor now, my now ex-wife. Because I divorced me officially. So we are here going to Abuja. One of the man be the way we should, and then he sent some people to buy me. All the man that I have, but unfortunately I escaped, and we tried settling in a Benue State to work, so I have to go to Abuja as the family. And it was then he heard the light of Africa concerning that Matthias in Abuja that I should meet him, which I did. And after I met him, I was to also come down meet him. The first meeting in Abuja, I was the first set because I was almost residing in Abuja because of the issue.
Yes.
And before then, Governor Eziokwu was going on my ex-wife in a live video. While my ex-wife questioned, go yes, the woman are contrary. You know what? Governor Eziokwu asked me from her phone. Although one the person I can't imagine, now this woman going to Igbo. Now the woman my many things in Naga and the Chori Guamejo. Oh, Governor Eziokwu so I think that now they had I work together with that pastor to frustrate my case for the family. In fact, they had a more ordinary people to go over back on my case. Yeah, and then the same way case in the Canada court. He came with JFA in Abuja. To protest that day, they were not allowed to go into the court room. So I ended up telling that, thank God, the reason I see only alcohol was back on my case. But at the end of the day, he helped me with that. I thought I am the one that wants to go because I found out I after my ex-wife had Rocha.
Yes.
That was what transpired between Governor Eziokwu then you make a little problem. So Matthias, Matthias, privacy here that this issue of confronting Galidamua, that one not speaking on my own. Even the case my wife is not because of other people, their life in danger and after that startup. That is why I did everything possible to make sure I expose the part of them. And now I'm not like Eziokwu and Matthias go to the platform. That he confronts the camera. That church. That no one don't confront people with it. That you can put down fighting people. I'm not the first person in the first place. We have the problem. Before Matthias one across promotion and need, one across problem and need. And this is what I would say. When I have
how is the Lego Bari na their branch in Abuja, right?
Yes, Matthias gave me 10,000. My brother from Enugu City, the junior brother to him gave me 40,000. Then 3 other people raised 15,000, 70,000, making 67,000 naira. People told me you man
Okay. The point is that they raised 67,000 for you, right?
Yes.
Yes. It doesn't matter, Shelu. It doesn't matter how they raise the money individually. The most important thing is that they raised the money for you when you went to them. Yes. And another point in matter from you is that you have been following Matthias since 2021, right?
Check my Facebook page.
Thank you. Then for just like even Kowala and Gold, because now and Gold, Agwama Gold. Now I am not coming into this case because I am coming into it Makana. Maybe because I go to Salem now the guy may betray us. I should remember Ayayanando. Instead that I told Annie Gold that no matter the background of what brought this guy to Brekete family and the Matthias, you could see that no problem with a pastor. So I am not interested in anything too personal about this guy, but what I am so much interested in here is Kerife result to Nde Omenana Buze Eziokwu and the Governor Eziokwu ha. It does not drag around on social media. Or any other thing email ha jolonjo apart from the fact Nesere ne follow ni ifa na egwu ahozi ifa na eme. He decide ya ka e puo and they puo who ifa he follow. Onwere another crime they committed against them aside this.
Another crime we committed and can they make it now? Can't go into now. My house, my life no good na danger. video after Mataya send it, that's not send. Governor Eziokwu make video. They claim because when I now because he got the mail in work and Azaka, I don't want to go also. So after Mataya finished that video, Governor Eziokwu went live about 4 days ago, made one live, accusing me wrongly, accusing me forcefully that Namusiria, Nakam, cause support for my case. I want to put it in straight. Can Nigeria now know in case someone knows my voice? I'm not maybe
no, sorry, I'm going to put a support all your case.
Then Kana put the past ego, and I asked him to provide the evidence because
but I want to ask.
He's a criminal.
Mana Antioge, if you consign if this guy in a woo, Makamataya for now, and before I go and buy no barrier, call support whatever person your name will put. What does it have to do with what this guy is doing on Facebook? Now,
that guy will he's a liar. I'm not going to call that guy now. That is how they lied against him. These people are demons.
After my life as I'm talking now, voice notes, you have me for he's threatening me seriously, and I called him ex-convicts because of fear. And I assume Namje will tell evidence about more correct convict first. During one of the election, can you ban
the ex-convict? This guy not so trouble. Now me call an ex-convict. That's who he is.
That is why he wants to arrest me. So I'm making official report.
Also, don't know ya arrest you or no, you make it disappear. Hello.
Eziokwu.
Hello.
Hello.
After him, also no ya arrest you or no, you make it disappear.
These people.
That he will write me here, nobody between me.
That he will hide you where nobody will see you.
Nobody will see my leg. That if he doesn't deal with me, he will die. If I'm putting his in now, that if he didn't deal with me, I got
When you feel very personally apart from me, tell my brother, apart from calling out Matthias, did you call his name?
He called me. First called me out, and I watched his life.
Yeah, I know. Look. That is what I am asking you. Before he called you out, did you call him first, aside from calling Matthias? So what is the connection between him and Matthias that you are calling out?
He's just hiding Matthias. That is all I see in him.
Okay, for that.
For how long I had to only for me to come online, I see him. Me, somebody tagged me because I block on now Facebook because I stand on the now. He blocked me on Facebook. So somebody now called my attention that Governor is talking about me. I have to go use another Facebook account to check him. And I listened to what he said and I was like, take a man to then I have to respond to him and send the video to him on WhatsApp so that I know he cannot see my Facebook profile. Are you getting it now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Because you came and used this boy video made a confession. What about Matthias? Now he picked up. I watched that his stupid video that day. boy did not do anything to him.
Oh, when you are the one that Nigeria
Detectives.
Antonio na-ekwu ka ọkanya nwa gawa n'iru.
Agwara m gị na these people.
Chelu ka ndị oge kwucha ka iwe gawa n'iru.
Agwara m gị na these people are detectives. They will subdue you. They will torment. I'm not coming to Nigeria because I'm Nigerian. I'm coming to Nigeria for many reasons. I'm more rugged than this very dark man. This suppression and people like this tormenting, like again, I'm not to make it disappear. You not see them. Threatening people for no reason. These are the things I was saying. Now, I'm sorry, man. I have I submitted to this boy. This boy now. A petition against this guy that he's not capable to handle any office in Nigeria. He cannot even deal with emotion. He wants to subdue everybody. He comments here, he make all these things has to stop. We need to start somewhere and put an end to this monster. Have you ever seen him conduct his program? Can this kind of temper uphold any office? Okay, Buki, because you open mouth to speak. These are the things. You put hands together and find the criteria how we can subdue people like this. Because without it, all these people get a problem. I pack here on one side. I will tell you, this is all he does. Pride. You want to subdue, you're not supposed to talk, you want your own opinion. Who the fuck are you? If you guys don't start something, people like this, this blue apple, and the worst part here in Nigeria. You guys will not be able to speak your mind.
Okay.
Well, let the boy continue.
Network on America connecting.
Hello?
Okay, serious.
I will hear again, and I want to debunk it, and I want you to bring it.
Yeah. Network nsogbu na intimidation ndị a Antioke emekwana ndị a nwee imi ha ya akwa anwụrụ ọ maka na usu enwe ha ọnụ ka okwu agbakịta netwọk irizi
recharge card and that I will still disappoint them. I know you are going to about me. Because I'm a man of myself and my integrity is paramount to me. I don't say things because
serious. Half an ando can you go? You have to put on Matthias.
Governor is live video.
Apart from Ijo Wabuzo, we post to video, if I'm not mistaken. Before Mama post to you, before I post to video, Mona go discuss go before. So what it means is that because I'm a non post to video, anya hani ne weta pota. Before I post to your face video post to. Mona go discuss. Mgbe post to your face video. Can you feed then your page, Makam?
Thank you, please.
If you need a name, afford that post. Yes. If you need Shelu, if you need a name 24 hours to pull down that video. why mmeji we post o video Maya acknowledge you.
Without acknowledging me.
I did not even see it until okay, I did not see it. Or either an eme or somebody. Je tag ya meba.
You are very correct.
Mwege.
And the church need to go Makali and the Makali go post to
Mba honya nyanwa filu na yi post rie na ya acknowledge he. So oge mwa post siri. Yes. And the mwa for that video na odo serial. Amodo no ho odo serial the real Facebook page here. So after umfutazeli that thing, make the next video here. Just tag ya odo serial na comment section. So nyanwa we je ba we sim no odo serial the main page na the main page here wo Rapel gang. The Rapel gang.
I would the very dark man. Yeah, you want a very dark man now. Dark man.
So now it was after I saw the videos flying around. Ndomena na buze Eziokwu mewetie na anu kanji we gbazie the guy nya inbox all number
But
or
your brother. Eziokwu. Bani ya kwa rata gangi ya jem na nke very dark man na.
Dark man, the guy is too busy. I won't need connection here for now. That guy is just like
Wait. Ari very easy to relate to him. You can contact this. What is this? My brother. This Ebony. This is my brother. Zeus. You can tell to Zeus. Igbo Hana Zeus. Zeus will contact him. Yana Zeus to them man. You contact him direct through Zeus. You know. You can reach out to him through Zeus. So, I are the thing.
because upon me warrant all these threats. What could warrant all these threats? Does it mean that this guy doesn't have also when you want na ndomena na buze Eziokwu raise 10 million? You want to go? Does it mean he doesn't have any right to walk away?
Come on, 60,000. Can that the very
What of J Park ha enyelu ego yet they walked away coming back and they were supporting them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you see they cannot even take water of what they dish out.
What they
because the guy in Andrew can you make go no kwa you walk when you come near the put talk one of you go.
Mana the guy na cut man the pastor na aru no jobo now. The guy na cut man the pastor.
Because I was a victim. ENG began my activism because I was a victim and I decided that I would use my platform to fight.
Mistake you know man. One pastor go offend. Now I cut away every pastor. One pastor may go offend. Now you start cutting every pastor. You know? One mistake you
I'm joking. If you check my post, send me video like an apology video today because of this. Well,
you don't start the apology. You feel like you see what I'm saying? But when you are busy, they criticize the pastor because one pastor commits the crime. That means everybody now to go dance.
And the Rapel gang if I were another mistake, a lot of people name and don't know if I know you are here. I want a man to make it for a job. But when you make it, don't generalize it. I watch in video today.
You deal with that. Okay, pastor in day, but I am a Christian. I will not fight for you. I will not fight for you. Again. For me, no. Pastor in that hobby, yet much to do and I am aware. The reason why I'm talking this is the threat that idiot or ex-convict in Yegi. Because of
I'm joking, I know Igbo. But on Facebook.
That one that's knocking out new Majakanike. And I bought on your sugar. Oh, yeah, MG put one. But what by Onya and the person in we are problem, or you condemn or person in. Yet, to domina like I am aware. As you got don't even know why you can do this thing. because one pastor majority you generalize everybody. That all wrong. All wrong.
You are correct. You are correct. You are correct, my sister.
Go and deal with them. I will so deal with it. Deal with it. Because to these people they will hang who don't be mad. Nda kwa musuo. E hona ha so mage, ye bu hebu hu na ge ha ga hapoge. E wata go. So ha buru ma ya buru egbe. Ha buru egbe ya buru onyike. Ya buru onyike ya buru shovel. Ya buru shovel. I'm not talking about that. But that is it. That is it.
I don't give mother in
I may have to rub
before me actually.
This boy is so on your wall. But now what on your wall? Matthias. I'm not telling the boy now. The bomb war. Matthias war.
Yes. Well, about you,
so, as you go, Hannah, I'm where there. What one on this one? Hannah, we have we under the panel, and I have what are we any? Let me tell you, you are mutra in something. You don't have any attached to these people. On your corner, Deceitful, not a member. One the person, one day. So, you have to have because these people are musu. They work for conscience. So, they work for conscience. I go make more. How to hide there? I get one of on your lap of
Nando can behave can they terror and the risk organization. Nando can they call na behave can they on a court. That if you anything against them, kitty. What is happening?